Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We're on a train.
Choof choof. Well, good morning.
So why have we been on a train?
Why have we been on a train? Because we have gone to...
Where are we?
Where are we?
Sneak peek. Yes, we're in Newark.
Oh, guess what we're going to do? We're going to pick up the motorhome.
Yes, it's finally ready.
It's ready, it's all been fixed and back to normal, so...
We can have it back.
We can have it back.
So we'll make our way round to the good folks at SMC.
And we'll let you know.
And we'll catch up with it then.
We will. Toodaloo.
In a bit.
Oh, again.
Well, we're here at SMC.
Oh, I think that's where it is.
In Newark. And we'll go and see the boys. And get sorted out. And then we'll be back to you in a bit.
Hello.
Well,
We have the motorhome back.
yeah,
It feels really weird.
it does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And it's odd.
It feels really odd.
Well, we shall see.
Welcome home.
Shiny boy!
Come on in. Hey, what's it like to have the old girl back?
It's weird. Very weird.
We're just saying it feels weird.
It's been 4.5 months.
Yes.
It's on.
It is. Ooh,
They put diesel in as
it's
well.
a bit. Forget.
Well, we're
It's
back in
like.
it.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, it's a bit warm.
Well, yeah. We're back in Bessie.
Yeah. Is your seat in the right place?
Yeah.
It looks like you're quite high. Are you usually that high? On the seat?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, right. Well, feels odd. Oh, we've got armrests.
Oh, yeah.
We've got armrests.
Yeah, we've got armrests.
Okay then. Ooh.
What?
That got very. You did get very close. Don't roll backwards.
Oh, that's a mouse.
Got to remember, it's manual.
Yeah. Don't put it into reverse.
Don't say that. Like, you got to glue that to reverse.
Yeah.
That's definitely first. Oh, where's the handbrake on the other side?
Yeah, that's weird in itself, isn't it?
Well,
Because you're used to.
remember
Remember, it's bigger than what I've been driving.
not a lot.
Well,
It's smaller than my shovel
but it's wider than.
and my bendy.
Yeah, but it's wider than the van.
Not a lot. It's a lot smaller than my lorry,
Ah, well, that's all right then.
and it don't bend in the middle.
No. So, cut myself off.
But you cut yourself off.
I did.
Oh my goodness.
I
But
don't.
yes.
Yes, we have it
It
back.
feels very odd.
It feels very odd because we haven't. Well, it's 4.5 months since it was taken.
You were going here? Look.
No.
Pull out one side, go in
And
the
we
other.
are not going to buy another one. We are going to go home in this one
Small fault.
and see how we feel.
I feel
like going in there and trading.
No, we can't do that right at this moment in time.
It rattled.
It
Lots of rattles.
There's a lot of rattles, yeah.
Lots of rattling.
Well, that's because it's empty. We're not used to it.
Yeah.
So.
I've got the gear stick to play with.
Ooh,
Not like that.
Oh dear.
Tone, I don't
He's
know.
missed his gear stick for the last 4.5 months.
I haven't actually.
No, he hasn't actually.
I much
No.
prefer automatic.
Yes, so.
But
Seeing as we've had the van, which is automatic, which is much easier for you.
well, everything's been automatic.
Well, yeah, everything else we've got in that we own is automatic, so.
That's manuals that say it.
Yes.
Citroen.
Yeah, Citroen, yeah. This one's funny in and around. Yeah, let's get this. Yep, lights have changed. And there's a fire engine. Ooh, exciting. Right then,
Okay.
how do you feel?
Odd.
Odd. Yeah, it's not quite. I don't know. We'll tell you more as we get further on in the journey.
It's different.
Yes. Hello. Excuse me. Hello and welcome back. Welcome.
It's rattling.
It's rattling because it's empty.
Yes.
Yeah, it's usually obviously got loads of stuff in it, so we make it rattle proof.
Yeah.
So, but yes, while empty, it is rattled.
So,
Yes.
It's odd.
It's what?
Odd.
It's very odd being in it because we
Not
have.
you. Odd.
Excuse me. Takes one to know one.
Odd bod.
Like an odd bod, yeah.
Yeah.
I think.
I don't know.
Yeah. No, I don't either.
Anybody want to buy a motorhome?
Yes. I think we've just because we've not had it for 4.5 months. It's weird, isn't it? We're not quite sure how we feel about it.
No. Very odd.
This is very odd.
Very strange.
I don't feel terrible about it, but I don't feel wow about it either. About getting it back, which is really weird because we thought we'd be quite.
Yeah, getting it back.
Getting it back would be, but it's not.
But it's been rather
Yeah.
strange feeling.
A straight, yes.
No highly excited and no disappointment either.
No, that's the thing.
just-
So we just don't.
It's back.
It's back, right? Is that good or is that bad?
Don't know.
I know.
That's the strange part.
That's the. Yeah.
We have to think about it a bit more.
Yes, I think so. But it is back and it is in good shape.
Oh yeah, they've done a cracking job.
Absolutely fantastic. Yeah,
It's
can't.
better than when.
Yeah, it's better than before it went. To be
Yeah,
honest.
It is.
So SMC have just done an absolutely brilliant job.
Yep, highly recommend this.
Yeah,
for all your needs.
all your needs. Yeah. So
Repairs, services,
services.
MOTs,
yeah.
everything.
So can't fault what they've done at all.
Yeah,
So
definitely not.
so now it's up to us
Yes.
whether we
Well, we'll get home and
yeah
I don't know, put some stuff in it, go and use it,
maybe
talk about it.
yeah
I don't know. We'll find out as we go along.
yes. But we'll keep you informed.
Yes, we'll be back with it one way or another.
Yes.
So,
With a car. With a car.
a car.
With
We've got cars on the brain.
Yeah. With either this or something else. We said that at the same time.
We did. Oh dear. That's not good.
No.
That's like, what do they call it?
Synchronised thinking.
That's what I wasn't thinking that.
What? He wasn't thinking, it was synchronised thinking.
No.
No, they.
I want to say karma, it's not karma.
No.
Fate. No.
You're on the same page.
On the same page.
We're thinking down the same lines.
No.
But yeah.
No, I was thinking.
Oh, for God's sake.
No.
What's you thinking?
Well, no, when you both say something at the same time, it's. I can't think of the words. Makes it happen.
Meant to be.
What doesn't make it happen?
Oh, well, I don't know. I've not heard either say.
I can't think what the word is.
You're...
What's the word? Put it in the comments.
I don't know.
Help my English.
What the hell are you talking about?
Nobody ever does.
No, I know. But that's less than well, I usually know a little bit about what you're talking about, but I totally ain't got a clue now. But then that's Jez for you. Well, I always feel like I'm going like this on the video because I'm.
You are going like that.
I am.
You're like that.
Stop it. Anyway, we shall carry on home, and we shall keep you informed of our feelings. Of what's to be done. So,
See you next time then.
Okay then, bye. Toodaloo.